Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Sylvania 9012 headlight bulb is probably one of the most crucial components for your vehicle's safety and visibility, especially during nighttime driving or adverse weather conditions. Ensuring you have a reliable and bright headlight system is paramount, and today we're diving deep into what makes the Sylvania 9012 stand out in a crowded market, examining its performance, longevity, and overall value proposition for drivers seeking an upgrade. Number 5. Sylvania 9012 SilverStar Ultra Halogen Headlight Bulb. Introducing the Sylvania 9012 SilverStar Ultra. Experience the brightest down-road visibility with wider light, thanks to our advanced tri-band technology. See everything on the road more clearly. Our patented tri-band technology delivers the widest light for your headlights. This improves contrast and makes it easier to see road signs and hazards. Upgrade your vehicle's look and nighttime driving experience. These bright white halogen bulbs enhance safety by improving visibility on the road. Headlight bulbs dim over time, so it's best to replace them in pairs. This ensures optimal performance and premium visibility for your safety. Use the Amazon Part Finder to confirm the correct position and notes for your vehicle. This ensures an exact fit for your fog lights, low beams, or high beams. Trust in Sylvania's century of expertise in automotive lighting. As a global leader for OEMs and the aftermarket, we guarantee quality and performance. What we like. This offers the absolute brightest down-road visibility. If you prioritize seeing the furthest ahead with the clearest possible light, this is your top choice. It's perfect for drivers who frequently navigate unlit rural roads or need maximum confidence at higher speeds. What people say. The Sylvania 9012 headlight bulb provides excellent brightness, significantly improving visibility on the road. Installation of the Sylvania 9012 headlight bulb was straightforward and took only a few minutes. The beam pattern from the Sylvania 9012 headlight bulb is well defined, preventing glare for oncoming drivers while illuminating the road effectively. Number 4. Philips CrystalVision Platinum 9012 headlight bulb. Experience a sharp, irresistible look with these premium upgrade headlight bulbs. Their patented coating produces an ultra-white light for a stylish appearance. Drive safer and more comfortably with up to 60% more vision. These headlights allow you to see further down the road, improving your overall safety. Rest assured, these bulbs meet Department of Transportation requirements and are built to high-quality standards. Choosing original equipment reduces the chance of early failure. Before purchasing, use the Vehicle Finder to confirm the correct position and any specific notes for your vehicle. This ensures an exact fit for your lighting needs. For optimal and symmetric light beams, always replace headlight bulbs in pairs. This ensures consistent visibility and performance from both sides. When installing a new bulb, never touch the glass. Use gloves or a paper towel to handle it, ensuring its longevity and proper function. What we like. Experience up to 60% more vision for a safer drive. If you're looking for a significant upgrade in both safety and aesthetics, this option provides a sharper, more modern look. It's ideal for those who want to improve their night driving experience and the appearance of their vehicle. What people say. The Sylvania 9012 headlight bulb provides excellent brightness and clarity, significantly improving visibility on the road. Installation of the Sylvania 9012 headlight bulb was straightforward and took only a few minutes. The beam pattern from the Sylvania 9012 headlight bulb is well defined, preventing glare for oncoming drivers while illuminating the road effectively. Number 3. Sylvania 9012 XtraVision Halogen Headlight Bulb. Introducing the Sylvania 9012 XtraVision. Experience enhanced down-road visibility without any added glare, making your nighttime drives safer and clearer. Our bulbs feature a robust filament design and a proprietary gas mixture. This ensures superior performance and reliability, so you can count on them when you need them most. Headlight bulbs work as a team. If one burns out, the other is likely to follow soon. Replace them in pairs to maintain optimal performance and consistent brightness. Use the Amazon Part Finder to confirm the correct position and notes for your vehicle. This guarantees an exact fit for your fog lights, low beams, or high beams. These bulbs are designed and manufactured for maximum durability. They are engineered to improve your driving situation, providing both safety and longevity. Trust in over 100 years of automotive lighting expertise. Sylvania is a global leader, providing quality lighting solutions for both original equipment manufacturers and the aftermarket. What we like. This bulb provides enhanced down-road visibility with a reliable design. If you need a dependable and durable headlight that offers a noticeable improvement over standard bulbs without being overly specialized, this is a great option. It's suitable for everyday drivers who value longevity and consistent performance. What people say. The Sylvania 9012 headlight bulb provides a bright and clear light output, significantly improving visibility on the road. Installation of the Sylvania 9012 headlight bulb was straightforward and took only a few minutes. The beam pattern from the Sylvania 9012 headlight bulb is well defined, preventing glare for oncoming drivers while illuminating the road ahead effectively. Number 2. Sylvania 9012 SilverStar Halogen Headlight Bulb. Introducing the Sylvania 9012 SilverStar, designed to provide brighter down-road visibility with a whiter light. Enhance your nighttime driving experience with superior clarity. Headlight bulbs dim over time and are best replaced in pairs. Ensure optimum performance by replacing your old bulbs with a new set of these high-performance halogens. Experience enhanced visibility on the road at night. These headlights create a whiter light that significantly improves your view of the road ahead. Achieve greater clarity during nighttime driving with a whiter light. This improves contrast, making it easier to spot objects on and along the road. Engineered with a specially designed filament, proprietary gas mixture, and unique lamp coating, these bulbs deliver optimal performance with a whiter light output. Trust in Sylvania's 100+ years of leadership in automotive lighting. We are the world leader for both original equipment manufacturers and the aftermarket. What we like. Enjoy more down-road visibility with a whiter light for added clarity. If you're seeking a balance between brightness and a cleaner light spectrum to improve object detection, this is a solid choice. It's excellent for drivers who want better contrast and easier identification of road hazards and signs. What people say. The Sylvania 9012 headlight bulb provides a bright and clear light output, significantly improving visibility on the road. Installation of the Sylvania 9012 headlight bulb was straightforward and took only a few minutes. The bulb's design ensures a long lifespan, offering reliable performance for an extended period. Number 1. Sylvania 9012.BP Standard Replacement Bulb. Experience OEM quality that meets Department of Transportation requirements. Choosing original equipment bulbs ensures higher quality standards, reducing the chance of early failure. Headlight bulbs project less light as they near the end of their life, reducing visibility. To ensure a symmetric light beam, always change them in pairs. Enjoy significantly whiter light for improved comfort and safety on the road. Drive with confidence knowing you have optimal visibility. When installing a new bulb, never touch the glass directly. Use gloves or a paper towel to handle it safely. Use the Amazon Part Finder to confirm the correct position and notes for your vehicle. This ensures an exact fit for your specific needs. What we like. This offers OEM quality and DOT compliance for a safer drive. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable replacement that meets all safety standards, this is the one. It's perfect for drivers who prefer to stick with trusted, standard performance and ensure their vehicle is road legal and safe. What people say. The amount of usable light cast onto the road is greatly improved over the stock bulbs. The added brightness fills out the existing beam pattern much better with the 9012 bulbs. On a dark 2-lane road, I can now actually see further than just a few feet out without using my high beams. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.